So very good morning, warm good morning to class 10, and we are here with today's class of English as first period of Wednesday. Without any delay, we had a nice discussion about our grammar topic, but today we are going to move ahead with the question paper, the one which I am already have floated in the group, but one more doubt was there, so Divyansh wanted that I should clear this particular question doubt in the class itself. So without any delay, let's move. Is the question paper visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, I will clear Divyansh the doubt what he is having, then I will move to the next question. Okay. Those who have gone through the sample question papers which I have discussed and floated in the group, this is one of the same question paper. If you all remember, those who have genuinely watched that, seen that, then they will come to know. Those who have not gone through it, they won't be able to. This is one of the sample papers only, beta. And those who are having all-in-one, they can see that the same question paper is there or not. Okay. So,
good morning, ma'am.
Divyansh, let's start with question number 12. And other students also please focus on it. This was the reason why I took this question paper in the class. And when you are going to join the school, remember, daily I will make you solve the question, make you solve question papers. Daily. So come prepared. And during the class only, I'm going to check the copies. 1 question, 2 question, 3 question, 4 question, that's not a matter. What matters is that you have to solve it in the class. Fine. Question number 12, answer any one of the following in 100 to 120 words. First of all, we have to keep the word limit in our mind. But yes, it can exceed up to 20 to 30 words. Means max you can write 150. So the first question is, age is not a barrier when it comes to doing something different and adventurous. Which characteristics of Wali help her achieve the wonder of visiting the town at such a tender age? Second, the principle forgive and forget helps a lot in maintaining cordial relations with our neighbors. Do you think Anton Chekhov conveys this message in the play, The Proposal? Justify your answer. Actually, the habit of not improving oneself is such a bad habit, na beta. Any unwanted element is there in my class today? Except this Jetia. I've removed that child. Don't attend my class if you don't want. Better. Right? So I would love to teach 20 students, but if the only one thing is that they want, if they want to really want to study, or else you can move out of my class. Fine. Let's move with both the questions. The first and the second option, right? Now, Bhavi, are you there in the class? Bhavi? Bhavi, are you there? Bhavi, I just want to listen to you. Don't write in chat box. Unmute yourself and talk to me. Bhavi, unmute yourself, beta. Oh, ma'am, PC. Fine. Leave it then. Maitri, are you there? Maitri, are you there? Maitri? Who can answer me? At least let me know that. Molly?
Yes, ma'am.
Amita, can you just tell me which answer would you like to opt for?
Yes, ma'am.
Which answer would you like to give me? 12 A or B? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So just let me know that which answer would you like to answer for? 12 A or B? Huh? 12th A or 12th B? Divyansh? Divyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you wanted to
Huh.
know?
Ma'am, in this, ma'am, the first part means I will do the B part only. Second part only I will
The
attempt.
Wali
But
one
ma'am, in first part,
is
no,
not
B
there
one,
in our
the means
syllabus.
the proposal.
Yes.
I would do the proposal.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. That's why means option one. I think it's not in our syllabus, na.
Yes,
Means
yes,
there.
yes. It is not there in our syllabus.
That's why, ma'am, I got means a kind of
Confused.
confused, or you can say.
The first part is not there in our syllabus. Means after that.
Then I will do the B part only, and means in the proposal that yes, ma'am.
And
That
it
one
is
only I
of
will do.
Madam Ride the Bus, na?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It is
It
of
is of
code.
our
First one is of
Yes, ma'am. It's of
So how they are saying not?
Yes, ma'am, it is course. Ma'am writes the
It is
bus.
there in the course, beta Wali. Characteristics of Wali is
Yes,
there in
ma'am.
the course. There. It's
I
there.
didn't under.
Now, listen. Can anyone tell me that how we will divide the answer? How we are going to write it down? Can anyone tell me? Just a brief description. Just a very small description that how will you frame the answer? I don't want the whole answer. I can understand, but I just want to know that how you are going to frame it out.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
firstly,
Firstly, we will introduce about the character Vali, and then we will go to what the question is saying.
No, beta.
Ma'am,
No. Say.
ma'am, firstly, I think we will describe the line. Age is not a barrier when it comes to ma'am doing something. Ma'am, first we will write about it, our thoughts, and then we will come to the character Valli, and then tell about her adventures, that how she crossed that.
Okay.
Ma'am, here
Okay. Now what you have to do is, we have two parts, children. Let us first discuss. The first part, age is not a barrier when it comes to doing something different and adventurous. We have to clear this line. We have to discuss about this line. We have to tell that really age is not a barrier for any one of us, right? We have to explain this line in detail. So at least 50 to 60, 50 words minimum you have to describe about this particular line. That is, age is really not a barrier. You can give any example, any good example, right? Then you will describe which characteristics of Vali help her achieve the wonder of visiting the town at such a tender age. Then we will start comparing the characteristics of Vali with the adventure. Now we are going to connect both the answers. Characteristics of Vali first, this will be the second paragraph, and the concluding paragraph we are going to compare the characteristics of Vali, its wonder of visiting the town at such a tender age, and I will just try to connect with the example which I have quoted in the beginning of the answer. So this is going to be the actual good kind of a format of answer, you know. First, we are going to give an example that age is not a barrier when it comes to doing something different and adventurous. Then about the characteristics of Vali. Then what was his performance in his, what was the role in that particular chapter. And then last paragraph, what I will do is I will try to compare the Vali's character with the fact of life, right? And what will give you the correct path, how we can move into the correct pathway. So this should be the format of the answer. Am I clear to everyone, children? If not, then just let me know. Beta, if not, then just let me know. Are you all there in the class?
Ma'am, clear.
Clear? Divyansh, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will move to the second question. Wait. Now, the second one, the principle forgive and forget helps a lot in maintaining cordial relations with our neighbors. Do you think Anton Chekhov, again the same thing, beta. Message in the play, the proposal, justify your answer. Again in 3 parts. So, who will give me this answer today? Kushal? Kushal? But are you there in the class, Kushal? See what happens, it is so embarrassing. The teacher...
Yes, ma'am.
Kushal, can you read out the second question, please? Means I mean to say 12th B, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
The principle forgive and forget helps a lot in maintaining cordial relations with our neighbors. Do you think Anton Chekhov conveys this message in the play, The Proposal? Justify your answer.
Okay. What do you mean by this question, beta? If I ask you to write this answer, how will you frame out? Kushal?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you frame out? I'm not asking you the direct answer, but I am asking you how will you frame out?
And first, I explain the message which Anton Chekhov conveys.
Okay. So you will directly move to the concluding part. Beta,
Yes, ma'am.
Kushal, now try to understand. This is the peak time. If you are not able to understand, directly ask me, ki ma'am, I am not able to frame out the answer. If you're not, then let me know. I will explain you, beta. कुशल,
Yes, ma'am.
आपको समझ में आया है ये क्वेश्चन?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how will you frame out, beta? If I ask you to write down this answer, how will you frame it out? Huh? See, all of you see, those who are not able to answer me. Children, read the question thrice. Okay? If after reading the question thrice, मतलब 3 बार कम से कम पढ़ना चाहिए. The principle forgive and forget. Here principle means सिद्धांत. Okay? The principle forgive and forget helps a lot in maintaining cordial relations. Again, I am going to tell you that you have to explain this quote, okay, and then you can tell that how does it help in maintaining the cordial relations with our neighbors. इस तरह का व्यवहार. हाँ बेटा कुशल.
Ma'am, I also say this.
No, you said that you are going to talk directly about Anton Chekhov first. You will try to highlight the character of Anton Chekhov in the proposal chapter. You directly came to the second part of the question. But always read out the question thrice. Once you see the principle forgive and forget helps a lot in maintaining cordial relations with our neighbors. First part is you have to explain the quote forgive and forget. You can explain this quote with a small example, very short example, right? Like for example, you all do so much of naughtiness in class, but still I try to forgive and forget. Right? And how does this nature will maintain a good relationship with neighbors? My neighbors. Then I will come to the second part of the question, that is, do you think Anton Chekhov conveys this message in the play, The Proposal? Now you will again connect the first part and the second part, then conclude the answer. Clear, Kushal?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to solve this, and I expect my students will start solving the papers. Still now I have not got any sample paper yet, or any PDF of the sample paper. Fine, I am waiting. Let's see. Answer anyone, 13th number question. Then I will come to grammar part. I think so it is also the same. There's more to gain from following.
I have a doubt.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, as in 12B, you said the first line we have to give our example or we have to relate the chapter.
Beta, our example.
The first line.
First line, for example, the principle forgive and forget. This is the quote. Okay. So ये जो सिद्धांत है, क्षमा करना और भूल जाना. Right? So this quotation you have to explain first with an example. Okay? You will explain first with an
example from chapter.
Not needed.
We have to take the example.
You can explain it as per your choice. Getting me?
Okay, ma'am, I have seen in all-in-one, they have taken the example of the same chapter and explained the first part.
Listen, what happens if we are going to copy down the same answers, then it won't give the value. The principle forgive and forget, first you will explain the quotation in your own words. Then you will connect with the see the first line, beta. The principle forgive and forget helps a lot in maintaining cordial relations with our neighbors. First explain it in your own words, then try to connect it with the chapter, then with the character, and then conclude it. Now you're getting me? This is the way how I present,
Yes.
how I teach. Fine? Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, thank you. The 13th number question. I'll just discuss it and I will move into the grammar part. I just want to make you all solve grammar. There's more to gain from following a righteous path than taking the unlawful one. Again, this is a quote. Substantiate your answer with relative examples from Ruskin Bond's The Thief's Story. Sorry. Who does not know about the meaning of the word substantiate? Who does not know the meaning of the word substantiate?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes, ma'am, I
Anyone
also.
else?
I also don't know, ma'am.
Huh.
I also don't know.
Okay. Okay. I will explain.
I also don't know.
Fine, beta. I will explain you. I knew that you all don't know. That's why I asked you. I know you all very well, na? You won't be able to understand this. Do anyone knows, or shall I explain directly? Anyone knows the meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yes, please explain.
Ma'am, it is a way to explain yourself with the help of an example to support your answer, so to say.
That's what I am doing.
Give an evidence.
Yes, that's what I taught you just now in the previous both the questions. Am I right, Nandika? What I did in the last two questions, I just substantiate my own answer with the chapter and then I gave a conclusion, isn't it?
Just like illustrate.
You illustrate means to describe more. Substantiate means to keep your words along with the words of the chapter, and then you will come up to the one conclusion. It's a kind of comparison. I won't say it as a comparison, but yes, it is a kind of, right? Now, 13 question number B. Rome was not built in a day. Justify the statement in the light of the making of Richard Ebright as a scientist. Again, same type of answer. Rome was not built in a day. Justify the statement. This is a statement, and you have to explain this first, then with the chapter, and again the.
What is the meaning of Rome?
What is the meaning
एक
of?
जगह का नाम
जगह का नाम है बेटा.
रोम का नाम
Name of a place.
यहाँ एक
भाई जगह
Would anyone like to frame this answer? If you all know. Anyone knows this answer? Any one of you children?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, we will explain what Rome was not built in a day means. As in, it takes time to build good things. And then we will substantiate our answer with the example of Richard E. Bright as a student, as in how hard he worked to become a scientist, to become an accomplished scientist in his field.
Can you explain, actually, Nandika, many people are not able to understand this particular proverb, like Rome was not built in a day. What does this mean actually to relate with this chapter? Rome was not built in a day. This is a statement given. What type of statement it is and how you can explain?
Yes, ma'am. It means that everything takes time to build. Everything great takes time to build. Everything cannot be done in just a minute, or if you want to achieve success, it cannot be done overnight. It takes time. So even Richard, he had to work very hard in order to make himself improve as a scientist. In his first science fair, he just made a slide of frog tissues, but then he evolved his theory around butterflies, and then he got his prizes and his success, which he deserved.
So students, you all understood that this has to be extended. This is a very short pattern of answer what she gave, but you have to explain it. That how does this verse statement "Rome was not built in a day" means? Anyone else would like to discuss on this point, or we shall move to the grammar part?
Ma'am, can you repeat 13th A1?
13a. There's more to gain from following a righteous path than taking the unlawful one. What does this statement mean according to you? Then I will explain you. First of all, we need to explain this line. There's more to gain. Listen to me very carefully. There's more to gain from following righteous path than taking the unlawful one. What do you understand first? Let me know, then I will explain. Do you know anything, or shall I explain?
Ma'am, you explain.
Anyone? Again, I'm asking. Last.
It means that if we will take right path, so we will gain more money or more knowledge. If we will take wrong path, so we will definitely go to depressed.
It means that by following the righteous path, one might not achieve anything good in the beginning, just as they started following that path. But when you take the unlawful one, the success, the money, that everything that might be there, it might come very soon, but it is temporary. It won't stay or last for much longer. But with the righteous path, whatever you gain, the respect, the fame, it lasts for a very long time.
Like if I give my teaching experience and my teaching profession, yes, this is exactly the same. It is a long time investment plan actually, where I am continuously investing everything. I know I will surely get the result one day, isn't it? So this is the correct path. And if I want to choose, if I want to earn money, I'm just giving you an example, and don't take it as a granted. If I want to really earn money, I can earn money in various kind, like I can take instant coachings, crash courses, this and that. But what do you think so? It is going to last for a long time? No. So the thing which I am doing is a long time investment plan, and this is really going to work on with. I'm just giving you a slight and silly example to you so that you can compare the things easily. Both of them said it very nicely, correctly, and this was the point. Only 5 minutes are left, children. Let me show you the grammar part.
मैम एक और
हाँ बेटा.
मैम रिचर्ड ईब्राइट से एक और स्टेटमेंट थी, सक्सेस इज फेलियर टर्न इनसाइड आउट, and prove this statement on with respect to making of scientists.
Beta, can you please just type it and send it me in WhatsApp, because today I will show you the grammar part just for today. Then we will discuss the same question paper tomorrow again, because it will take time. See, only 4 answers, it took half an hour. Wait.
Ma'am, that page was a type of that comic book.
Okay, wait, na beta, I'm searching the grammar portion actually. Question number 5, na? Where it went? Question number 3. Question number 4. Yes. Shall we solve it? We have 5 minutes time. Lack of skills, choose the correct options to fill in the blanks to complete the following. Lack of skills is the main reason that dash jobless people from dash a job. For
Prevents.
Ma'am, C. Option C. Ma'am.
Prevents.
Just hold on. Lack of skills in the is the main reason that prevents.
prevents.
Jobless
Ma'am, prevented.
from
And prevented.
Finding.
Ma'am, I think
Prevents.
prevented.
no, not prevented.
Option C.
Prevents ही होगा.
Ma'am, option
Let
C.
me, let me read it out once again. Let me see. Wait, hold on. Lack of skills is the main reason that prevents jobless people from finding a job.
Finding a job.
A. Option A. Third. Second.
A. Option number A.
Yes, ma'am.
A.
2A.
Finding.
A.
Option number A. Right. Instead of dash free internet to the people, the government should
Offering.
organize training programs.
Instead of offering.
Offering.
Option B.
Option B.
Option B.
Option B. Option B.
Offering. Instead of offering free
Offering.
internet to people, right?
Government should organize training program for the job.
Okay, fine. So we will continue with the same. We will continue with the same thing tomorrow, right? Same question paper we will solve, right? Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
2 मिनट और हैं.
नहीं बेटा 2 मिनट और है. I know. Wait.
Ma'am,
2 मिनट में क्या होता है?
3 minutes.
मैगी बनती है भाई.
Bye. Tomorrow again, right?
Next बना के खा.
Solve it. Don't worry.